Let's talk about digital to analog converters. DACs are ADC's counterparts, in which discrete digital inputs are converted into continuous analog signals. The DAC first stores the digital input in a DAC register to be decoded. The DAC decoder assigns weights to each bit stored based on its positions in the register. The weights are then transferred into a digital to analog convergent circuit and combined to form the analog output. DAC also uses reference voltage to determine the output voltage range. Some DACs incorporate an output amplifier used to amplify the output signal to meet the power requirement of connected components. DACs are crucial devices of automation. Some of their applications include motor control, control system, audio systems, and all of these are essential for manufacturing. And that's what digital to analog converters are.